Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your Annette and today I'm going to show you how to make the lovely Belle. That is the pancakes, or in Konkani you call them the Mankio. But before we get started, if anyone out there is new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and also to click on the bell icon so that you get notified the next time I upload a new video. So let's get started. Now here I have taken half grated coconut and a little jaggery. Now as we go on mixing both these ingredients, I'm going to add on more jaggery as per required. I'm not going to add more jaggery directly first as it will make our mixture watery. So there you go friends, the mixture should look like this. Now for next step, in a bowl we are going to add 1 cup plain flour. Into this we are going to add a pinch of salt for taste and approx 5 to 6 drops of vanilla essence. Into it we are also going to add 1 egg. Now we are going to mix all these ingredients well by adding little water till our batter is ready. So approximately here I am going to add 2 cups of water so that my batter is nice and thin. Now once my batter is done, I have separated them into 2 bowls. Into one we are going to add a little red food color and mix it well, so it's going to give me a yellow mixture. You can add whichever color you like. This will make the kids very interesting and lovely to eat them. Do try this out friends. You can use whichever color your children love to eat. Next we are going to keep a pan on the gas stove, add little oil, spread it a bit, and once the pan is hot, we are going to add 1 ladle full of batter into it. Move the pan in slightly so that it is nicely spread out. So once you see it popping like this and changing its color, you know it's done. Once it's done, just flip it off on a plate and keep the pan back again and keep on repeating the procedure. As our layers are getting ready on the gas stove, we are going to fill in the mixture. So see friends, you have to leave slightly place and then put in the filling over there and nicely wrap it. And it's done. So similarly, we are going to do all and keep ready. And our Alle Belle are all ready my friends. I hope you all enjoyed watching the video. If you did like, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also to let me know in the comment section how well and tasty you like them. Till then I'm going to catch you next Sunday with yet another recipe of mine. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay indoors. Bye bye.